sustainability can go extremely fashionable. It's just that you need to just hunt for the right things. And I would just urge a lot many more younger generation or younger designers to come on board to, perhaps apply their creativity to fabrics which are handloom, or which, even if they're power loom, at least let them be natural fabrics and not your polyfibers and not your synthetics, because those are the actual reasons why our plants going for a toss.
Makar Avatar, Makar Nidhi is मगरमच्छ विक्ट्री. आप विष्णु जी से जुड़े हुए मगरमच्छ या गजेंद्र मोक्ष का पाठ रेगुलर करने सर इस निधि को पा पाते हैं, जिसमें आपको लाइफ में विक्ट्री मिलती है. मकर निधि हमें विक्ट्री देती है, स्पेशली ओवर ऑल द लीगल इश्यूज.
The trouble with advertising is everybody feels that they have to be very creative. So they write the way nobody understands. So creativity has to be very simple. The best advertising board that I have seen was in Hong Kong. It was outside a shop and it said, "Seedless grapes, very sweet, sold here." I think that is the best creative I have seen. Very simple, straightforward, tells you what you want to know. If an advertising guy had said the same thing, he wouldn't have said "Seedless grapes, very sweet, sold here." He would have said, "Nature's bounty now brought to you in its most pristine form for your pleasure," which means nothing.
So sometimes you don't, you don't have to have like big problems. You just need like small solutions to like grow and prosper in your life or to feel better. Even for people who face insomnia, okay, amethyst, this really, really helps with insomnia. So if you keep like an amethyst ball or even a small amethyst geode in your by your bedside table, or you even carry wear a bracelet constantly, it's good for all kinds of things. I think everybody goes through a certain amount of stress in their daily life, so amethyst is something that I swear by. It's also a master crystal.
So you've been wanting to start your own food business, and now is when you're wondering about how do I manage my staff, how do I manage my dine-ins, takeaways, and so on and so forth. Come 2020, and now the situation has changed. Now we're witnessing something called the Cloud Kitchen Revolution, wherein which you can start your own restaurant brand from the comfort of your home.
Succession certificate is only for, please remember, it is only for movable properties. Like FDR shares, bank account, your gold in the locker, etc. Succession certificate is only for movable assets.
Estate planning is basically the process of it's creating a master plan for the management and distribution of your wealth in the event of your death or disability. Through estate planning, we can decide that how, whom, and when to transfer the control and ownership of the estate in the most cost-effective manner. Well, the statistics say that almost 90% of Indians do not make a will. And on a lighter note, by the cost of the the succession certificate, the kind of amount to be paid as court fees, I think it is quite necessary for all of us to awaken to the fact that we need to make our will and we need to do our estate planning. It is ironical, while we work all our lives, we are unlike the Western counterpart, we Indians work all our life and believe in passing on a legacy to our loved ones. But when it comes to actually writing down a will or making an estate plan to ensure that our assets are received by our loved ones in the way that we want them to, in the most cost-effective manner, we seem to be lazy about doing that.
आप सभी को पता है कि जब हम खाने की प्लेट लगाते हैं तो उसमें दाल, सब्जी और चावल और ये सारी चीजें होती हैं, और बहुत ही छोटी क्वांटिटी में होता है अचार, बहुत छोटी क्वांटिटी में होता है चटनी, राइट? हमारा criticism towards our kids should be like this. Always, आपका criticism इतना ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसमें आप पूरी दाल सब्जी कर लें. It should be just topping. आप एक्सेप्ट जो ABC है उसी का एक्सटेंशन है ये. जब आप बच्चे को करेक्ट भी करते हो उसमें उसके टुवर्ड्स जो क्रिटिसिज्म है वो केवल थोड़ा होना चाहिए. वो आपके खाने का जायका बढ़ाए, वैसे आपकी डांट का जायका बढ़ाना चाहिए, वो डांट नहीं हो जानी चाहिए.
Which is better, plain toothbrush or an electric one? Doesn't matter, electric भी अच्छा है and plain toothbrush भी अच्छा है, toothbrush भी अच्छा है. You can choose any one that you are comfortable with. Make sure it is a soft toothbrush. मीडियम और हार्ड सिर्फ स्पेशल केसेस के लिए ही बनाए जाते हैं।
साइनस के लिए एक मर्म होता है, वो यहाँ पर होता है और इसका नाम है फणा मर्म। ये अब आप ये देखिए, जब हम अनुलोम विलोम करते हैं तो हम ऐसे अंगूठा रखते हैं ना, हम नोस्ट्रिल को ऐसे भी तो बंद कर सकते थे, क्योंकि एंट्रेंस तो ऐसे है, हम यहीं से क्यों बंद करते हैं? रीजन ये होता है कि यहाँ पर हमारे मर्म होते हैं। ओके, तो ये स्टिमुलेशन करने से आपका सिर्फ साइनस ही नहीं, एक्चुअल में जो आपका पूरा पैसेज है वहां का एनर्जी का रेगुलेशन बना रहता है।
जायफल समझते हैं आप, नटमेग, इंग्लिश में इट इज नोन एज नटमेग, हिंदी में इट इज नोन एज जायफल। इट इज अमेजिंग फॉर रिलीजिंग स्लीपिंग हार्मोन्स। ऑलराइट, नाउ व्हाट यू सपोज टू डू इज उसको घिस के पाउडर बनाना। ऑलराइट, जायफल को और नटमेग को 1/4 टीस्पून जायफल, 1/4 टीस्पून जायफल शाम के टाइम में कोई भी फ्रूट के साथ, एप्पल, बनाना, एनी फ्रूट के साथ आप 1/4 टीस्पून जायफल खाना। इट इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर स्लीपिंग हार्मोन।
There has to be a desert time when you spend with your kids. Figure out what are their interests, what is their aptitude, what kind of entrances can they clear. It's weird when we put our child into an IIT coaching, even when we know the child might not be able to do it, even when we know that the data is that only 0.01% people will be able to clear it, which is nothing but 1 by 10,000, which means in the cities that you are, if 10,000 kids are studying in IIT, one will get the choice that he or she wants.